Today I'm going to share with you what is in my toiletry bag, my makeup bag, and some brushes that I brought with me on a 4-day trip. So it's a shorter trip. I packed a very small carry-on suitcase and I fit everything in there that I needed. I'm pretty proud of myself for packing pretty minimally, and I had almost everything that I had needed. I don't think there was anything that I was missing or that I needed to purchase afterwards, so it worked out really well. So let me start out with my toiletry bag. This was a bag from Ulta that I got with a gift with purchase. I have this little jar and it has an eye cream in there. This little baggie, which had feminine products in it, had cotton swabs, it had some cotton pads in here, so this was really good. I packed just the right amount. This baggie, which has my razor and some shave creams in there, and I have it in here because this stays wet a little bit longer, and also just so nothing got cut up with the razor. I packed an extra moisturizer packet just in case I needed it. I probably could have used it once during my trip, but I decided not to open it. Instead, I just used up the rest of the other one. But this is the Jack Black Double Duty Face Moisturizer. I love bringing little foil packets like this because I just find it takes up less room and it's so much easier. The Mario Badescu Cucumber Cleansing Lotion as a toner. This is a little small size and I really like this toner, so I already knew that I liked it, and it was perfect that it was smaller sized. I brought this little rollerball fragrance. This is the Dream Angel Heavenly by Victoria's Secret. I didn't reach for it that much. Personally, I don't love rollerball perfumes. A face wash. This is the Skin Fix Foaming Oil Cleanser. A travel size toothpaste, the Crest 3D White. And I did bring a disposable toothbrush, but I threw it away afterwards. It was just a cheapy toothbrush. I didn't really feel like I needed to bring it back. Personally, I didn't really even like the toothbrush that much, so it worked out to bring it and just not bring it back. I brought the Redken 5th Avenue All Soft Mega Shampoo and the conditioner, so I brought both of these. For deodorant, I thought this was perfect. I actually got this from Pinch Me. This is the Native deodorant in coconut and vanilla, and this was just absolutely perfect for such a short trip. It's so small and compact, and I felt like it worked pretty well actually. I have no complaints about this so far. Body Shop Mango Shower Gel. I brought my wide tooth comb for after the shower. I brought the Mario Badescu Botanical Exfoliating Scrub. I only used this once, but it was nice to have. I brought my current serum that I'm using, the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion serum. And it comes with a pump and it has a cap, so really good for travel. I packed a hair tie, and I also packed this foil sample for my moisturizer. This is the Renewed Hope in a jar, and I just put it into this little pot. So I brought an empty pot so that I could put my foil packets into, and I ended up using it all up. The last couple of things in there, I brought with me these Ulta Beauty On The Go Cleansing Makeup Remover Facial Towelettes. I brought with me these Acne Pimple Master Patch things. I didn't end up using these, although I probably should have. I did break out a couple of times. Brought some masks, and the ones that I ended up using was the 7-Day Mask Aloe Calming and Soothing. And then I also used this one. This one was really fun. Charcoal and Bubbles Detoxifying Foaming Sheet Mask. So yeah, so that was everything in my toiletry bag. So this is now empty. Now let's move on to what's in my cosmetic bag. I brought with me this was also like a free gift with purchase from Ulta. It's the Catrice Cosmetics bag. I don't know, I thought it was small but not too teeny tiny that it would fit everything. So let's try and show you guys. So as you can see, everything fit in there really nicely. Travel size mascara. This is the Benefit Roller Lash. I brought with me this. This is my smallest foundation and easy to apply. I didn't have to bring a brush or a sponge for this. This is the Almay, what is this? SPF 15 Smart Shade Skin Tone Matching Makeup. So I just apply this with my fingers. Ulta Hydra Shine Lip Gel. I brought with me my concealer that I use all the time, the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. I know this isn't technically a small size or anything, but I just decided, since this is what I've been using, that I was just going to pack it anyway. I had the room for it. Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I love this. I'm so glad I brought it. I brought with me the Clinique Quick Liner for Eyes Intense. An Intense Ebony. IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. The Aziza 2 Blush and Highlight Duo. Some eyelash curlers. I brought with me 2 eye palettes, like travel size ones, smaller ones. This is the Physicians Formula Matte Collection Quad Eyeshadow in Canyon Classics. I love this for travel. It's all matte. I love this. I had to bring it. I tried to not bring this, but I just had to. So originally I was just going to bring this one here, Bare Minerals Ready Eyeshadow and the Bare Neutrals. And I'm so glad I brought this. This was absolutely perfect for what I had wanted it for. I was able to use quite a few of these shadows for my different looks, so I was really, really happy with this. I probably didn't need to bring the other one. The Ulta Beauty Matte Lip Cream in, what is this? In Tender. So this is just a little pot, and this had Smashbox Photo Finish Primer in here, so I just put it in a little pot. I feel like when I have travel size pots, I clean them out and save them because they are really, really great to use for travel. Last thing in here is the Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer. So I brought that with me. So that's everything that I brought as far as cosmetics. And then I brought this little brush roll of makeup brushes. And I brought 6 brushes. One didn't quite fit in the little holders, but that's okay. It still fit in the roll, so it worked out. I brought the Real Techniques brush, the blush brush. I brought the IT Cosmetics for Ulta Airbrush Concealer. I actually use this for highlights. EcoTools blending brush. Sigma Small Tapered Blending Brush. A smaller brush, detail brush. And then I brought the e.l.f. shadow brush, which this has fallen apart so many times, but I keep putting it back together because it does work really well. So those are the brushes that I packed in this brush roll, and this brush roll is actually from EcoTools as well. That is everything that I brought with me on my trip. I thought I'd just kind of share with you. It's a little bit more minimal, and it worked out perfectly. It's all I needed. I didn't need anything else. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope it helped you. Do you guys pack minimally, or do you pack a little bit more excessively? Let me know. Typically, I pack a lot more than this, but I was pretty proud of myself for this trip to pack this minimal. All right, I will see you guys next time. Bye.